Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today we are going to have an important topic. Why Indians are hated in America. Not only about the common people, even President Trump is also worried and angry about India. He is trying to enforce more and more tariffs on India. Why it is going on? The days were not like this. Why the days have changed? The first reason is our Indians who are working there. They are getting good salaries because they work there. The other day I was told that even people are against Indians working in the Walmart and all that, what I can say, malls. Why even Americans also, if they want to work, they too will get the job, no? They feel that because of the Indians, they are not getting the jobs. Actually, the conditions are not like that. Our Indians are very sincere, hardworking, and we are used to work from our childhood. That is why even when they go there, they work there. That is why many of the Americans feel that because of the Indians, they are not getting the jobs. And many CEOs are from India, and that is why they feel that America is first, America is good. They don't feel a developing country like India coming ahead. That is the main reason. Main reason they feel that because of the Indians they are not getting the jobs, and you are knowing our population is a highly populated country we are. So many Indians go there and they start working there and they work hard. That is there. That is the first reason. And next is, some of the people say that we don't have the civic sense. Civic sense in the sense wherever Indians, suppose if one Indian is there, many Indians go and live there together and they make a colony of their own, we can say. And when they are having their own colony of their own, they are having their own, what I can say, our festivals and all that. That is why they feel that we Indians are not behaving like them. Next, they feel, that is the Americans feel that we Indians, we don't have hygienic sense, that they are wrong. We are hygienic. Though they think like that, that is their issues. Only the thing is, in public places, even in India, I do agree what is wrong. We are not so much bothered how to keep it clean and nice. The public places, we are least bothered. Whereas in foreign countries, even the public places, they keep very clean. I think we have to develop in that sense as well. That is why they feel that we don't have hygienic sense and all. That is why we find people there shouting, go back to your own country, Indians, go back and all. Moreover, our community, our functions, our God, our goddesses, it is entirely different from theirs. Moreover, they can't understand that, I feel. That is why they feel that we Indians, we are not like them. They feel we are not like them, in other words. And they feel that we are spoiling their place, we are taking out their jobs. That is the main reason I feel, that is because many Indians go there, they work there, and that is why. And moreover, what happens? Why our Indians get the jobs? Because they are working even at a cheaper salaries compared to Americans. Americans need high salaries, whereas our people are ready to work at the moderate salaries. That is why they feel that we are encroaching their jobs. Nowadays it is seen that everywhere, wherever you go, you can see the Indians. Either on the road, you go to the malls, you go to the shops, hospitals, doctors, everywhere. You are able to see the Indians there. So the Americans are afraid that if it continues to be like that, one day we Indians will encroach all the fields. Moreover, our youth is very, very intelligent, hardworking, and moreover they have shown it. If you go to the Silicon Valley and all, you are having about more than 50% Indians there. Why it is? See, no one is keeping you there free. Even Americans want these people to work for them, work for their country, and that is why they are there. Till now, whatever the name, fame America has got, even we Indians are responsible for that. Our youth going there and working, you go to the hospitals, doctors, nurses, you are having, that is the working force, the human force. They are getting at a cheaper rate comparing to their own people. Now, as usually, even their population is increasing, and after all, they too feel that their people should get, America should be the first. That is why they feel that the entry of Indians is somewhere working as the hindrance. You go to the colleges, you find so many Indians working there, studying there, and no doubt they work hard, and after studying there, they start or they continue to work there. Why it is? Because the cleanliness, the weather, and so many things are there, and moreover, you don't have the reservation problem or anything. If you are having the knowledge, if you are having the ability, you are getting the jobs there, you are paid well, and that is why our people feel like going to America, and once they go there, they feel like settling there. But now the things are changing. So I feel that even our youth should think that instead of going and working there for that country, let us work for our country. And I am sure one day the other, India is going to be one among the topmost countries of the world, because our youth is having that capacity. They are hard working. So let the Americans hate them. We will try to work in our own place. I think this mindset we should develop. What you feel about it? Let me know in the comment box. Have a good day.